Document Editing Service. Welcome to our professional document editing service. If you are looking for a reliable solution to improve the appearance, structure, and presentation of your digital documents, our document editing service can help you achieve a clean and professional result. Our document editing service is designed for a wide range of digital documents. We can assist with text corrections, formatting adjustments, layout improvements, spacing, alignment, font consistency, page organization, and other visual editing requirements. A well-organized document creates a better impression and makes information easier to read. That is why our document editing service focuses on both accuracy and presentation. We carefully review the provided material and make the requested changes while maintaining a consistent and professional appearance. Our document editing service can be useful for business documents, reports, forms, presentations, scanned documents, promotional materials, and other editable digital files. If your document contains incorrect text, inconsistent formatting, misplaced elements, or an outdated design, our document editing service can help make the overall presentation cleaner and more organized. You can provide the original file, explain the required changes, and our team will work according to your instructions. Quality and attention to detail are important parts of our document editing service. We focus on maintaining proper spacing, alignment, typography, and overall visual consistency throughout the document. When you choose our document editing service, you can communicate your requirements clearly and receive an edited version prepared according to those requirements. Our goal is to make document editing simple, efficient, and convenient for individuals, students, creators, and businesses that need professional digital document improvements. For more information about our document editing service, visit our website or contact us directly. Payment methods include crypto, Zoom, Remitly, and Western Union. Choose our document editing service when you need clean formatting, accurate text adjustments, and professional document presentation. Contact us today for your document editing requirements.